experience with health issues and how I overcame them. Introduction. Health issues are an inevitable part of life, and I have had my fair share of challenges in this area. In this personal account, I will share one particular experience I faced and discuss the strategies I used to overcome it. Body. A few years ago, I encountered a recurring back pain problem that significantly affected my daily life. It started as a mild discomfort, but over time, it intensified and hindered my ability to perform even simple tasks. I knew I had to take action to regain my health and vitality. The first step I took was to consult a medical professional. I visited a renowned orthopedic specialist who conducted a thorough examination and diagnosed me with a muscular imbalance in my back, which was causing the pain. The doctor explained that this condition often occurs due to poor posture, lack of exercise, and prolonged sitting. To address the issues, I was advised to undergo physical therapy session. I diligently attended the physical therapy session and followed the exercise prescribed by my therapist. This exercise focused on strengthening my core muscles and improving my posture. The therapist also taught me proper body mechanics and techniques to prevent further injuries. Over time, I noticed a gradual improvement in my back pain and my mobility and flexibility increased as well. In addition to physical therapy, I made lifestyle changes to support my recovery. I started incorporating my regular exercise into my daily routine, including activities like swimming, yoga, and walking. The slow impact exercise helped to alleviate my back pain while improving my overall fitness. I also paid closer attention to my posture, but during daily activities and while working at my desk. I invested in an ergonomic chair and adjusted my workspace to ensure proper alignment of my spine. Taking regular breaks to stretch and move around during long periods of sitting became a priority. Moreover, I made changes to my diet to support my body's healing process. I increased my intake of nutrient-rich food such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. I also reduced my consumption of processed foods and sugary snacks, which can contribute to inflammation and exacerbate pain. Throughout my journey to overcome this health issue, I surrounded myself with a supportive network. Family, friends, and colleagues provided encouragement and understanding, which boosted my morale during challenging times. They help me stay motivated and accountable for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Conclusion. In my conclusion, my experience with back pain taught me the importance of seeking professional help, following a comprehensive treatment plan, and making positive lifestyle changes. By combining physical therapy, exercise, posture correction, and dietary adjustments, I successfully managed to overcome my health issue. It is crucial to remember that each person's healthy journey is unique, and consulting a healthcare professional is vital for tailored guidance. With determination and the right strategies, it is possible to overcome health changes and live a thriving. A tale of contrasting vacation. Once upon a time, two friends named Lisa and Amy decided to go on vacation. Each, Each had different ideas about what their ideal holiday would look like. Let's explore their experience and compare their contrasting vacation. Lisa, an adventurous spirit, chose to embark on an exciting trip to a tropical island. She craved a getaway filled with thrilling activities and exploration. Upon arriving at the island, she immediately signed up for water sport such as snorkeling, jet skiing, and parasailing. Lisa couldn't contain her excitement as she dived into the crystal clear water, marveled at the vibrant marine life, and soared high above the waves. The adrenaline rush of these activities fueled her desire for adventure. On the other hand, Amy, a nature enthusiast, opted for a tranquil escape to the mountains. She sought solace in the scenery beauty of nature and yearned for a peaceful retreat. Amy immersed herself in the tranquility of the mountain landscape, surrounded by lush greenery and fresh air. She spent her days hiking along picturesque trails, discovering hidden waterfalls, and capturing breathtaking views with her camera. The sound of chirping birds and rustling leaves became her symphony, soothing her soul and providing a sense of calm. While Lisa relived in the excitement of water sport, Amy found joy in the stillness of nature. Each has their own preference and derive immense pleasure chosen from their chosen vacation experience. Lisa saw the thrill of adrenaline pumping activities while Amy saw the tranquility of natural wonders. As their vacation came to an end, Lisa and Amy reunited and shared their stories. They marveled at the stark contrast in their experience, yet appreciated the beauty and uniqueness of their individual journey. They realized that the world offers a plethora of vacation options to suit different interests and desires. In the end, Lisa and Amy cherished the memories they created during their vacation. They understood that the beauty of travel lies not only in the destination but also in the personal experience and preference that shape the journey. Within seeking adventure or tranquility, the world is vast enough to accommodate the deserved, tasted, and desires of every traveler. And so, their tale of contrasting vacation became a testament to the beauty of individuality and the vast array of experience that await those who venture out into the world. Thank you.